So you've set up your new Linux laptop and are just putting in the wireless password when stupidly you typed in the wrong password. What happens now is the connecting icon just keeps spinning and does not seem to stop. You try and stop the connection and reconnect, but it just continues to try and connect with the original password.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, maybe not that long, but here is the fix for this. First of all, I just want to check the SSID name again, so typing nmcli connection show gives you a list of local connections. Because I was an ass and typed in the wrong password, I can now delete the SSID connection. Using the command nmcli connection delete, followed by the SSID name resets the connection. As it now says successfully deleted, we are now ready to try again. During this section, I was using CLI to try and restart the connection, but encountered an issue while using the nmcli device Wi-Fi connect command. The error message was a problem with my Kylo Ren account, which didn't have the admin rights to activate the Wi-Fi. To prove it was a rights issue, I tried to connect via the GUI method, and that is also shafted, as it doesn't seem to allow it. To remedy this, I had to change the rights to match the administrator level rights on the Kali account. That is for a future video. With those changes made to the account, we try to connect via the GUI now, after making sure the SSID is present. And look at that, the icon turns into the Wi-Fi icon, not the annoying spinning one. To prove we are good, I ping Google's DNS server IP address and we get a full response. I perform another couple of commands. iwconfig shows the wireless interfaces and associated SSID. The final command is IPA, which shows all interfaces and associated IP addresses. We are online. Thanks for joining us for this quick one today, and we hope you found it useful. Join us on our next video, another common Linux issue. Like, share and subscribe to the G-Man channel for more very useful IT and cybersecurity vids. You will not regret it.